Hi, my name's Ron Thomas, and I'm not a professional speaker or actor or anything like that. What I'm doing is letting you know a little bit about my story so that maybe it could help you or possibly somebody that you know. When I was in 6th grade, I had a lot of symptoms of fatigue and pain and all types of different symptoms. When I was in 9th grade, I was diagnosed with mono. This was at the University Hospitals in Cleveland by Dr. Salata. I had all kinds of symptoms from fatigue, joint pain, muscle tightness. When I say fatigue, I mean extreme fatigue where, you know, as a 15-year-old sleeping 16, 18 hours a day, every day, is not normal. We didn't really know what was wrong, but my symptoms were so severe that I was diagnosed as in the top 2% of the worst cases in the country. Like, lucky me, right? But it's important to know where I came from to where I'm at today and how I got here. The symptoms that I had, like I said, started in 6th grade, diagnosed in 9th grade, followed me through college. I struggled through college, but during that time I tried chiropractic, tried herbs, multiple family doctors, mental imagery, a lot of different things, and they would help where I'd be maybe get up to 70% capacity of what I wanted to be energy-wise and the rest of it. It helped, but it never recovered completely, I guess is the best way to put it. They helped short term. I'd have a few good years at that rate, but then I'd have a few bad years where it was just horrendous. The bad years, again, I was sleeping 18 to 20 hours a day. I was very weak. My retention sometimes was near zero. I would read a sentence and reread it 5, 6, 7 times, and I couldn't tell you anything that was in that sentence. It was really horrible. I tried different diets, again, mental imagery, that type of thing. Once I got out of college, it helped a little bit. I had a couple of good years. In 1992, I married a fantastic lady I'm still married to. The reason I mentioned the marriage is in 1994, my symptoms returned. My wife is an RN, and she watched me go through all of these symptoms. Again, it was a point where I would sleep for a couple of days because I was so tired. I'd get up, go to the bathroom. I'd be so exhausted from that amount of energy, I'd sleep for 2 or 3 more days. I came to a point where I felt I didn't really have any other options. I was ready to go back to University Hospital and say, do whatever you want, because I don't know what else to do. I met Mike Jones in 1995. I was too tired to drive in. I slept in the back seat of the car while my wife drove me in. After 2 treatments, my symptoms were cut in half. My symptoms included difficulty focusing, dry eyes, burning eyes, reduced neck mobility. I was extremely emotional, whether it was crying or anger. I mean, intense anger. Low back pain, tight muscles. I saw spots. I had disequilibrium, memory loss. I was mind fog, inconsistent sleep at night, violent dreams, tired after eating, ringing in my ears. I mean, a list goes on and on. When I say after 2 treatments, Mike cut my symptoms in half, it was those I just read plus a whole lot more. It really helps. Today, I'm 42 years old. I'm still married to the same wonderful wife. I've got a 9-year-old, a 2-year-old who keep me very busy. My energy is incredible. I hire guys that are 25, 28 years old. My energy level blows them away. I work them into the ground. Then we laugh about it at the end of the day, but I'm pain-free. I'm healthier than I've ever been. I've learned and continuing to learn a lot of the things that Mike has taught me, the diet, some exercises, some meditation, all these things coming into play to continue to get my life healthier and continue on that road to learn how to give back to myself. If you know of anybody or you have these symptoms, I highly recommend give Mike a call.